Okay. Today we will discuss like a map. What exactly map? Before going to that map, then we'll discuss like that lambda expression. What exactly lambda in that mule? Lambda is like yesterday we discussed like that functions, right? Functions, how to write functions. Here I have done some example, right? Function add 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3, and then I am calling the function here. This is a function definition. Yesterday we discussed, right? This is a with name function add like that. Here we have to put that add. Here you have to write that function definition num1 num2, and then he'll write that function, right? Here same way yesterday we discussed functions, right? Here same way like that. Anonymous means lambda means without naming. How like that means I will show you that one. This without naming. Okay. This exactly lambda syntax. Okay. Then if you want output means how like that means you have to close this one. That's it. But this is a static. Okay. If you want dynamic means pass like n comma n plus m, right, like this, and here pass that arguments 2 comma 4. Okay. This one is called as a lambda. And then whenever writing that map object, everything using that lambda form. Okay. Using that lambda expressions. Okay. Lambda is nothing but a that is a without name. That is called as a lambda. Okay. Lambda, how to write that syntax, everything I explained, right? This is a lambda related stuff. Then now go to that map. Exactly what is a map object? Let's see. Okay, map, how, when will you use that map means whenever using that array. Okay, that array you need something, you want to get some values and fetch the values and store somewhere means, then we will go to that map. If you write that one-to-one function, suppose one map, here we'll say this is a map object. Okay, here books inside how many objects? This is a one object, this is a one object, two, 3, 4 like this. Then if you write means that is very difficult to, how to say, very difficult one-to-one mapping means how many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times you have to map that one, but not required when you're using that map object. If you what you need exactly, then you have to map one-to-one like that. Using that map you have to iterate. After iterating what exactly you need, suppose we'll take that some small example. Uh, this one I will take that employee example. Okay. Then first we'll see syntax. This is a syntax always. Okay. Here some key. Okay. JSON means we have to put that key, right? Key. This is a value part. Okay. What exactly value part means? Here, whatever may be payload, that reference name and map. After map, you have to put that here. Sometimes is a item or value, whatever may be. Okay, item index. Then here is item means item reference the key name. Okay, you have to use like that. Okay. Then this is the syntax, but I will copy somewhere. Once again I will explain that syntax. This one here is, yeah, we'll take this thing. I will paste here. First, I will write that in data view playground. After then, we'll discuss here. We'll compare. EMP info or details something. EMP info. Okay. Where is that array format? This is not array format. This is object. Object inside is a employee. Employee inside array. Means we have to get first here array structure, right? How to get that array structure? Payload dot employee. Now, okay, EMP info is a array structure, right? This is a EMP info. Here is a array structure. Okay. Then we need to apply here is a map. Okay, we have to apply that map object is only not map object, map only apply array. Okay. Here, what I have to do? Map. What syntax means? Okay. Like first you have to put brackets and then inside two brackets here item index, write small letter, small item index. Okay, then you have to put like this. After then this is the lambda notation, right? You know. Okay, now here name item is coming right first name. Okay, once again I will explain this one. Payload. After then we have to check that we array structure like is there or not. That is array structure. This is array structure. Then you have to apply map function. Map simply always write like this. You have to up to here syntax. Okay. This is syntax. All map function is a syntax is placed here. We'll discuss this one. You write the name item dot first name. Here, whenever object means we have doing that mapping means like payload dot reference variable. Here map also same. Here after map, what is that reference name? Reference name, first name, last name. Okay, I'm doing this first name. Okay, we have to concat like first name plus last name is what we have to do. Item dot last name. Okay. Like this. Okay. This one always whenever map means you have to put this syntax like this. Item index like this. After then what you want, you have to using this reference. Okay, based on that your attribute name, reference name, this item dot that variable name. That's it. This is a syntax. Okay, we'll see here. Here also same like that. Payload, books, map, item index. Okay, this one is now limit. This is a map object. Control X. Here also same like that. Okay, clear. Map object. Yeah, where this one. This is a lambda, right? Lambda also seems compare this one. Okay, here n comma m like that. Here item and index. This is like this. N plus m have done function, but whatever may be logic inside this brackets, right? Same way here also like this. Here not required to passing that arguments. Why? Because we are using that payload. You have to take like this part only. Same way, right? Our part. Here arguments is item and index. This is arrow mark. Here inside this logic. Clear? I hope if you silence means clear. Okay. Shall we take another one example? Example. Example. Tell me now what I have to write here. Tell me what is the first step? Payload dot
Books.
works. Correct. Now is coming, right?
Mm,
Then next is map. Map.
yes.
Write like this. Item index. Okay. Here I will get the title. That's clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now next we'll go to that map object. This map actually input is array, output also is array. Input and output is array. Map object. Map. Whenever go to that map object, okay, that one is when our object only we have to apply that map object. If your array means we have to apply like map object. That is a difference map and map object. Then what we have to do here, we will take this example itself. Like this item means this is object is coming like this way, right? Then we will write that map object. Map object also same similar way syntax. I will show you that syntax first. Okay. Same syntax. Instead of map, we have to put that map object. That's it. We'll do same way here. Here, books info. Put like this. Now, what we have to do? We have to remove this thing. Let's put like no issue. This one also not a problem. We'll right click this way also. Book item map object. Okay. A value put like this. That's it. Okay. What exactly here difference means map and map object is a similar syntax, everything. But only thing is like here will pass item and index, here value, key and index. Okay. Here without key, here key also is there. Okay. Then here actually I'm printing like the same keys. Okay. If you want change that exactly how whatever maybe this one, right? Title like this means you have to follow like this way. Mm, is a good example. Map object one to one will take like this. This one already we discussed, but this one is not required. Map object. Also is there. Tomorrow I will give that one-to-one map example exactly. Here I am unable to find. Let me check. Yeah, employee first name, last name, the map object. This map object is not there. Tomorrow I will give that exactly map X one-to-one mapping. Otherwise, what we have to do? We will do one thing. Here itself, I will open that one. I will do. We will do that metadata. Yesterday we have done, right? Same we will do one-to-one mapping here. Oops. This is a JSON type, right? JSON, and then example, desktop, DW, books. Payload all. Right. Right. We have to put this one also, right? Brackets. Yes, that one. Right. like this one-to-one mapping. Title, put that author, like value dot author. Item dot not object. My bad. It's Object. We also now